So I just got my SIN number and now we'll be going to get my bank account done, right? And so kehva hai? Nahi khaba. Cheers! I love this. ખબર છે ગર્લ્સ પાસે સુપર પાવર હોય બે હાથમાં કેટલી બધી વસ્તુઓ લઈને ફરવાનું કારણ કે આપણા કપડાઓમાં પોકેટ તો આવે ને જિંદગીમાં સો વી ટ્રાવેલ લાઈક ધીસ ઇઝ આર પૂમ પૂમ રાઈટ આને એકદમ ગુસ્સો આવે છે નહીં ગમતું લાઈક હું એને વિડીયોમાં લઉં ને તો પણ યા સમર માટે બેસ્ટ લાઈક આપણું એક્ટિવા હોય ને ઇન્ડિયામાં આઉચ એ કબૂતર So I just got my GIC account done, I got my debit card, I got my credit card and now we are going home. So finally I have done everything and I will explain the process when I get home. Okay, bye. Okay, yeah. So yeah, I got home, I had food and now I'll be sharing what things I did in these 2 days. So basically, the first thing I did was to get my SIM card because it's the most important thing that you will need to do any other steps. So I got my SIM card from Freedom. It is monthly plan. So because I don't have a credit card, they asked me to take prepaid plan for 1 month and it's almost it's $40 per month and I'll get 10 GB and unlimited calls and texts in Canada and international texts are only free. So that's it. It's not like that important to me. So yeah, this is about it and I paid money with tax and SIM card and service whatever it is. So it costed me around $60 to $65 because it was the first time getting it and from next month I'll be only charged $40 plus tax and yeah, so that's about it. Basically the plan is for $45 but you get 5% off for I don't know what reasons, but anyways, so I got my SIM card. They also allow you to choose numbers, so like the last 4 digits you can put your birth date or your favorite numbers and whatever. Okay, so the garmi kitli is shit. Look at the temperature outside, you know, you can see the sun, like wow. Anyways, okay, yeah, so then I went to get my Presto card. So basically, wait, so here in Canada, if you want to travel, not in Canada, in Toronto, I guess, I don't know about other province or other states or whatever it is. So you get a Presto card and then you can use this to travel in subways, metros. You have to pay some deposit in this and then you can deduct it, or you can pay for monthly student pass or something and it will be like, you know, you can tap unlimited times you want. Then yeah, those 2 things I did yesterday because I can now access my phone, I can use my internet, I can also travel. So these are the most important things that I need to do first. Then today in morning, like in afternoon around 12ish, we went to get my SIN number. So Service Canada, yes, if I'm not wrong, we went to Service Canada here and then they asked me for my passport and study permit and then I had to fill some form with name of my father and mother and then yeah, in 5 minutes or so I just got my SIN number. Luckily there was no line, so it was very quick for me, but yeah, it was as simple and easy. So the last thing I did was I got my credit card, debit card from Scotia Bank. So I went to the nearest Scotia Bank here and then they asked me for my passport and the letter or the application form that you got from India, and yeah, they will fill the details and everything. They will explain you if you don't know how it works. And then I got my debit card and you'll have to enter a pin or something, then you'll get your credit card after 5 to 10 business days. So I'll get it mailed at this place and yeah, there's it. Like, I don't know, it's not much, so it's simple. If you have everything, if you want to do everything in one day, you can do it obviously, but my friend is a little busy with her work and everything, so I had to divide it in 2 days. And yeah, every important thing has been done in those 2 days, and now I can do whatever I want. Like I can walk, I can travel here and there. Yeah, I'm a free bird. Okay, बस आठ बजे जातो ना. But like next thing would be get my driving license G1 G2 clear करूँ ऊपर से. Yes, I'll prepare for that, but I'll explain how I'll do it. I'll explain how I'll be preparing for it and how my experience goes with that. So yeah, stay tuned. Please subscribe, like, comment, and please subscribe. It means a lot to me. And yeah, with that, I'm signing off. Bye.